Listen. So, we can go now. So, what is your... At school? Oh dear, I'm not going to school.
¿Qué te pasa?
Can I enter, please?
Vale. Cierras el...
So, let's try to believe it in building 70, which is the obvious thing, but we are not going out of that. A minute. So, it's only a minute. Wait. So now you're cool. Oh dear. This is going to be the worst thing that happened ever in their life. So let's press the button. Here it comes. What? 3. Oh. Can't see anything of it. Oh dear. Something wrong happened to the lift. Oh, I think we can get stuck. Here you go. We're now free. This is scary. This is not working good. So we need to pay $1 million for the repair of the model. So in case of our service, you need to push the alarm button if you get stuck. So something will happen to the lift. Green.